Okay, so fantastic. In this video, I am going to show you how you can actually create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So there are a couple of criteria that is required for you to be eligible for you to create a custom URL. So the first thing is you got to have 100 or more subscribers. Okay, that's the first thing. Second, the channel needs to be at least 30 days old. And next is have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, and then have uploaded channel art. Okay, so that's what the criteria is. Let me just quickly take you to one of my channel, that is A to Z Construction. And so let me just go to my channel and show you that that criteria has been met. So I have the channel art, I have the channel icon, and I have 50,000 subscribers. So that means my channel is actually eligible for creating a custom URL. So how to do that? Now here is the actual steps for you to create a custom URL. Okay, so first you got to click on the channel icon that you see on the right side, and once you do that, just click on settings. So once you click on settings, just click on channel status and features. So once you do that, you will be seeing a lot of features that are there. Okay, so just scroll down and you can see custom URL. So just click on enable. Okay, so set up YouTube exactly how you want it. Okay, so let me just scroll down and you can see here custom URL. It says you are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So you just have to click here. So once you click on that, now it says, okay, so get a custom URL. Here's how you will look on YouTube. Okay, so it says A to Z Construction, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, select an option to see how you will look on YouTube. Okay, and it says suffix prefix. So I prefer going to this A to Z Construction. That's my channel all about. So I'd say I have read and agreed to the custom URL. So just read the terms and click on change URL. Okay, and it says once you confirm this custom URL, you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. Okay, so make sure you are fine with the link whatever you are creating, and with that just click on confirm choice. With that, fantastic. So you have set a custom URL. So let me just quickly show you that. It says C/A to Z Construction. Okay, so it should actually redirect back to the page, so you could see that. Okay, now even if I go to any of the videos and just to confirm again, so if I just hit C/A to Z Construction, it should just go there. So you could see the custom URL has been created. So that's how you actually create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. If you like this content, then please do subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Have a wonderful day or evening.